Cannonball! Cannonball! Oh. All right, Jaden. You got it now, boy. Yay! Hey for Jaden. Iron Man.
Swim to Daddy. Swim to Daddy.
Hey, you want a cannonball?
You want a cannonball? Come on. Come on so you can cannonball. You don't want a cannonball? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What you gonna do?
Cannonball. Uh-oh, now you need that.
You can bring yourself up a second time. Give him 2 times to bring yourself up.
It's deep over
Yeah,
there.
that's-
He
yeah.
came to that slope.
The more independent he gets, the better.
Gonna swim over there?
No.
Make him swim to the step. Swim to the
The
step,
minute he
Jaden.
learns,
Swim to the step.
He's all right.
And give me one of his toys, baby.
Yeah. That's Nana's toy. That's Nana's toy.
Yeah. Look, go get it.
Banana.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Sit down.
Oh, watch yourself.
Fetch.
Now go
You're
get it.
gonna go by your daddy.
Come here.
Look over there. You don't want to go get it?
Nah, he working on his new little thing now. They could jump and be all right.
Whoa. Look at Buzz. Look.
There you go.
Mimi.
Give me.
Mimi.
Give me.
Cannonball.
Mimi.
The cannonball.
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 3-year-old making a splash like that.
It's just amazing how fast that boy catch on.
He's not scared. His Nana's
Oh,
scary.
Look at him.
Wait, get in.
Look at him.
Good.
Going to do the cannonball again?
His feet away.
Where did he get all that energy?
Go swim. Swim over there. Go. Put your head in the face in the water and swim. Face in the water.
Face in the water and swim. Iron Man. See, I'm swimming.
Stay there.
He saw something.
Found that gun.